All right, today this is going to be drawing on page 330, number 1. So we'll hit new, we'll type in 3-30-drawing number 1, take off the default template, check and hit OK, and we'll work in millimeter parts solid and hit OK. And in drawing number 1, I see a square with a circle and a hole drilled all the way through the center of the circle. So we're going to go on the front plane here and hit sketch, hit the sketch view button, and anytime I draw a circle, I like to put a center line right down the middle plane here. So go to the rectangle tool, so when I draw this square, it'll pop up, my little green arrows will pop up, telling me that's equal on both sides of that center line. And we can change this box, let's make it 100. And it looks like it's going to be about 50 millimeters thick to work for us, maybe even a little less. It's a little squishier than that. Let's make it 25. Yeah, that looks more like it. We'll hit the green check on this. This is just how I'm doing it. You can do it any way you want. Extrude that. We'll make it equal on both sides of the plane by clicking here. It looks like it's about 100 millimeters in depth, so we'll put 100 on there. Yeah, that looks good. And hit the green check. Now we will put our circle on there, and since we got a plane right in the middle of my drawing, I'm going to select that plane to draw on right there. It's the front plane, I believe it is. It's front, yep, and we'll hit sketch, sketch view, and the center of that circle is lined up with the top of my box. So we'll go over here and set a reference right on the top of our box. We get close to it. The line turns green. That's good. We'll hit close on the box, and we should be able to put a circle right in the center. And it looks like it'll probably go tangent to the bottom there. So I'll just go down until it touches the bottom there and leave it there. And what I can do in here when I'm doing circles especially, the computer will know that if I put another circle in here, it just means that that's going to be a hole. So I'll put that in there and set it to 25 millimeters. Hit the green check. I'll extrude that. Oh, it didn't work out though the way I wanted it to, but that's okay. We'll set that to 100. Equal on both sides of the plane. Hit the green check. But what I forgot was it wasn't going to cut that hole all the way through my block, which you can see in the drawing. It's got the hole cut all the way through the block. So I'll just go back to front plane, sketch, front plane, to sketch button, sketch view. What I'll do is I'll just reference that 25 millimeter circle right there, so that when I put a circle in here, it's going to line up perfectly with that one. I don't get a dimension because it's lined up to the radius of that first one. Hit the green check, extrude, equal on both sides of the plane to 100 millimeters, and take off the default template. Turn on the remove material button, and hit the green check, and we are done.